Have you ever watched two people go to a gym and then one person after 6 months they are transformed and the other one is in a worst state if it is not just the way they got in? And this is how a scarcity mindset can make you stuck and also achieve this different result. And on this video I am going to show you how this scarcity mindset shows up in your life in a different way. If this is your very first time to see me on your feed, my name is Winnie. I'm a weight loss coach. I help women to lose weight, transform their body, reduce inflammation in their body, eating and drinking food they enjoy. This video, it is sponsored by Diaspora Insurance. Diaspora Insurance is a company registered and regulated in United Kingdom. If this is your very first time to hear about Diaspora Insurance, check them out at www.diasporainsurance.com and you will see if your country of origin, that is from Africa, it is there. This product is primarily tailored for Africans living in diaspora, and I always say it is a must cover if you are living in diaspora. So how does a scarcity mindset look like? Number one, it is all or nothing. What do I mean? You feel like you have limited chances of losing weight. When you start thinking of eating a cookie, eating a chapati, you feel as if you just sip up that Coke, then you have ruined the whole diet. And this happens mostly for those people who have labeled good food and bad food. If you have found yourself feeling as if you have limited chance to do this, or if you eat ugali, you have ruined everything, then just know that you have a scarcity mindset. And number two, it is fear of missing out. And this I have seen mostly with African culture, and especially if you have been raised from a family where there was no abundance, or you have been reminded that we don't have this, we cannot afford this, and this got into your mind. Have you ever gone with a person in a party, and in this party you've known this person to drink just in moderation, but in this party they drank until they black out? Why? Because there were a lot of drinks that he had not experienced, and he wanted to experience everything because they are feeling as if this opportunity, it is not coming again anytime soon. So if you feel or if you experience this when you go to a party, when food is presented to you, you cannot say no because you're feeling as if you're losing an opportunity, then right there you know you have a scarcity mindset, and this one can make you not lose weight. The other thing, how to identify that you have a scarcity mindset, it is short-term focus. You focus on quick fixes. You hear that if you drink this one for 3 days, then you get a flat tummy, and then you go for that because you feel as if you have a limited time to do it. These are the people you will find them during June. They are on a marathon because they want a flat tummy by summertime, for they are going on a holiday and they want to slay and they want to flex their bikini body. These are the people who will lose weight and also gain it back in double portion because they are not building a sustainable habit. And talking of sustainable habit, let me tell you, I have a 7-day body reset which will help you to build sustainable habits, build systems that will help you to lose weight and also have a healthy lifestyle. Because remember this, you cannot pour a new wine in an old wine skin. And number 4, it is comparing yourself with others. These are people who see as if the other person has advantage over them. They see what they lack. They don't see what they can benefit or learn from other person. And that's why you remember when we say that you walk in, there are two people walked in a gym, and in 6 months one came out transformed performed and also having a healthy body, but the other one came out either worse or even with what the way they walked in, it is because they have a scarcity mindset. So seeing the results of the other, because they are comparing themselves with the other person, not going on a journey, not falling in love with their journey, they can give up because the other one saw results very quick and they are still on a journey. They can't see the results. Maybe there is one thing they are not doing or the other, or the body had not adjusted, because they might be going to the gym every day, but they are doing different sets, they are living different lifestyle. Because remember, weight loss, it is not just about one component, it is about a few of them that you put in place. If you're not sleeping well, if you're not moving your body, you're not drinking water, you're not eating healthy, some of these things, even going to the gym, can be very, very difficult for you to lose weight when you are still doing when you're still not doing other things. If you are on a weight loss journey, let me know in the comment section what other scarcity mindset have you also learned or unlearning in the comment section. My name is Winnie James, and thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, balance, enjoy, and thrive. Bye.